Another quick little video here at Rolling Reed Ranch. Found this old PVC pipe the previous owner was using as a planter for her plants or something. She had a hanging planter, which was a pretty cool idea. Had to drill some holes in the bottom of it so the extra water can drip out. But I'm finna use this for a feeding trough for my goats. Quick little video. Another little DIY project. I love finding stuff that I can use instead of having to spend money on stuff.
I know a place sustained by just a land, off grid away from ordinary plans. A real family place where you can also bring your friends, and you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. Yeah, the Rolling Reed Ranch, where they got it all. Make you take a second glance. They got horses, go some food, can even watch the chickens dance. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed.
Bingo. Easy DIY feeder. I'm gonna drill some holes at the bottom, some smaller holes. These bigger holes I couldn't use because the feed would fall through. So I kind of rotated it a little bit at an angle, used those holes as anchor. Couldn't find a washer, so a smaller. So I used these things off of the old curtains to hold it up. So it worked. It's up there, solid. It's solid. Oh, then I just used these wires to pull it back up, kinda, because it was kind of rotating sideways, just kind of rotating too far this way. So I put these wires on here. It pulled it back up. So back. DIY feeder done. Turned a planter to a feeder. Drill some holes at the bottom so rain, water just drip, drip right out of it. And that's a wrap.